Hey guys, Happy New Year, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's look at how we can use VBA code to get the day name from a date. I'll show you two approaches. The first is to create your own function that you can use manually in the spreadsheet. But I'll also show you how you can use a sub to convert an entire column or more. Let's start by declaring our function, getDayName. It will take a date as input and return a string for the day. Let's then add some error handling. On error resume next. To do the date-to-day conversion, we're going to use the choose function. Then we use the inbuilt weekday function to get the day number, 1 to 7, where 1 is Sunday. The choose function maps the weekday number to the corresponding day name based on the order we've specified. Then let's add some error handling. Okay, a little typo in the input date there. Let's test out the function. To use the function, we type equals getDayName and then pass the cell reference in the brackets. There seems to be a problem. The day returned is wrong. The 7th of January, 2025 should be a Tuesday. Okay, let's go back to the code to see where the error is. Okay, I see the problem now. The input data at the top was spelt wrongly. Typo again. Let's try the function again now. Brilliant! It works correctly. As you can see, 7th of January is a Tuesday, and the 6th was a Monday. Great! Now let's do the date-to-day conversion using a sub. This will be useful if you need to convert an entire column. Alternatively, you could just use the function we created and do an autofill. Back in the VBA editor, let's declare our sub. I'll call it Convert Column A to Day Names. Then we declare some variables, WS to be the worksheet, and last row to store the last row of column A. For simplicity in this example, we're going to set WS to the active sheet. Then we find the last row and assign it to the last row variable. Now we're ready to convert the dates to day names. The process is going to be similar to the function that we did earlier, but we're going to loop down column A till the last row, and then put the day name in the corresponding column B cell. We do a check to see if the column A value is a date. If not, we print out invalid date in column B. To do the day conversion, we are going to use the choose function again and pass in the days of the week. If you created the function earlier, you can just copy the choose function from the top. Replace the input date with the weekday and the range of the column that you're passing in like so. Going to add a bit of formatting here. Then a message box to show that the macro ran successfully. Okay, let's test it out. I noticed some issues. Since we have a header row, we should start from row 2 and not row 1. Let's make the changes. And let's try out the macro again. Works perfectly now. Hope you guys found this useful, and see you in the next video.